you know your way around here pretty good?
Yeah.
Hey, do you know any place I can go spank my monkey?
Sure. There's
Where
lots
at?
of bathrooms.
Uncle John from Uncle John TV on YouTube. Yeah, a lot of bathrooms.
I was gonna get pissed, but I'm like, you know what? I like to spank my monkey too, so.
I'm looking for a place where I can go spank my monkey. He just gave me a look. Do you know any place I can go spank my monkey?
What's that?
You know any place I can go spank my monkey?
Oh, you know any place you can go to live around here? No? I have no idea around here. Little monkey.
Go. Thanks a lot, guy.
Alright.
You guys know the area pretty good? Do you know,
after?
I'm looking for a place to spank my monkey.
Yeah. Oh.
Take care. Hey man, you know your way around here, don't you?
Yeah.
Is there any place I could go spank my monkey?
That is hilarious, dude. That is hilarious, man. Have a good one.
Hey, come here for a minute. I'm Uncle John from Uncle John TV on YouTube. I'd like to use your footage, man. That was good.
Oh, yeah. You can go ahead.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
I'm looking for a place to go spank my monkey. What do you think?
I don't know about that. That's it.
Okay to use the footage, you guys?
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay, great. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Take care.
We got the cops called on us actually for
Did
doing
you?
this. Yeah. And then you seen the monkey, they were laughing. Take care.
Take care.
Hey, is there a good place around here I could go spank my monkey?
Oh man, I have no idea.
No? You know?
I don't know.
Where would you spank your monkey?
I don't know. No, I wouldn't do it here. Where'd you get that?
You like that?
That's cool.
Hey, how you doing, man? How you doing? You know your way around the town a little bit?
What?
You know your way around the town a little bit?
Yeah, why?
I'm looking for a place to go spank my monkey.
Well, that would be, let me see, hey, right there, man. Right there.
You're great, man. Hey, thanks.
Right there, man.
Okay.
Hey, I better see that shit up on YouTube, all right?